Spent the morning at an old friend's grave. Flowers and amazing grace. He was a good man. Spent his whole life spinning his wheels, never knowing how the real thing feels. He never took the chance, or took the time to dance. I stood there thinking as I said goodbye. Today's the first day of the rest of my life. I'm gonna stop looking back, start moving on, learn how to face my fears. Love with all of my heart, make my mark. I wanna leave something here, go out on a limb without any net. That's what I'm gonna be about. I wanna be running when the sand runs out. People do it every day, promise themselves they're gonna change. I've been there, I'm changing from the inside out. Apples and ashes now, I'm a new man. Yeah, I'm a brand new man. And when they carve my stone, they'll write these words: here lies a man who lived life for all that it's worth. I'm gonna stop looking back, start moving on, learn how to face my fears. Love with all of my heart, make my mark. I wanna leave something here, go out on a limb without any net. That's what I'm gonna be about. I wanna be running when the sand runs out. When the cold wind blows across this grave, I think I hear the sound of my old friend whisper in my ear. I'm gonna stop looking back, start moving on, learn how to face my fears. Love with all of my heart, make my mark. I wanna leave something here, go out on a limb without any net. That's what I'm gonna be about. I wanna be running when the sand runs out.